If you are looking for the best stand mixer for baking, you have probably come across two of the most popular options: the KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer and the Cuisinart Precision Master stand mixer. Both are powerful, versatile, and designed to handle everything from cake batter to bread dough. But which one is actually the better choice for your kitchen? In this video, we will compare these two stand mixers based on performance, capacity, features, and overall value. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one is worth your money. Let's start with the design and build quality. The KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer features a solid metal construction that is built to last. It has a classic design that many people love, and it comes in a wide range of colors to match your kitchen style. The Cuisinart Precision Master also has a sturdy build, but it feels slightly lighter compared to the KitchenAid. It still looks modern and clean, but it does not have the same premium feel. If design and long-term durability matter to you, KitchenAid has a clear advantage here. Next is bowl capacity. The KitchenAid Artisan comes with a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, which is enough to mix large batches like cookies or cake batter. The Cuisinart Precision Master offers a slightly larger 5.5-quart bowl. That extra space can make a difference when mixing larger batches or working with heavy dough. If you bake in large quantities, the Cuisinart gives you a bit more room to work with. Now let's talk about performance. The KitchenAid Artisan uses a 325-watt motor, which is strong enough for most everyday baking tasks like cakes, cookies, and light dough. It also features 10 speed settings, allowing you to mix everything from slow stirring to high-speed whipping. The Cuisinart Precision Master comes with a more powerful 500-watt motor and 12 speed settings. This extra power makes it better for heavy-duty tasks like kneading bread dough or mixing thicker batters. If power is your priority, the Cuisinart has the advantage. This is where the biggest difference shows. The KitchenAid Artisan has a huge advantage when it comes to attachments. It supports more than 10 optional accessories, including pasta makers, food grinders, and ice cream makers. This means the KitchenAid is not just a mixer. It can become a complete kitchen machine. The Cuisinart also supports attachments, but the ecosystem is much smaller. If you want maximum versatility, KitchenAid is the better choice. Both mixers use a tilt head design, which makes it easy to access the bowl and change attachments. They also come with similar accessories like a whisk, dough hook, and flat beater. The controls on both machines are simple and easy to understand, making them beginner-friendly. In terms of everyday use, both perform very well. Now let's talk about price and value. The KitchenAid Artisan is usually more expensive, but you are paying for durability, design, and long-term versatility. The Cuisinart Precision Master is more affordable and offers more power and a larger bowl. If you are on a budget, the Cuisinart gives you excellent value. If you want to check the latest prices, you can find the links in the description below. And if you enjoy discovering the best home and kitchen products, make sure to subscribe to Home and Kitchen Finds for more videos like this.